Auntie,
Oodles.
can we go to Murray Family Farm?
We're gonna go look at it.
Oh boy! Let's go!
Storm?
No, what happened?
Well, he ordered 200 of them there chicks. Then he came back 2 weeks later for 200 more. Then 2 weeks later for 200 more.
600 chicks? Now that's a lot of chicks.
I know. So the owner of the store, he's starting to get a little curious, you know. So the next time the farmer came in, the store owner just had to ask, for crying out loud, what you doing with all them chicks?
Well, what'd he say, Farmer Bill?
Farmer says, well, I guess I must be doing something wrong. Do you think I'm planting them too deep or too close together?
Auntie, look at me! I'm a pumpkin patch.
Oodles, where are you?
I'm in the pumpkin patch.
Oodles. Oodles, you're not climbing trees, are you? Oodles.
No, I'm climbing the corn stalks.
Oodles.
Auntie,
Oodles.
you think I can get an oaky fry pie?
You're an orky.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot!
Easy there, partner. I was just wondering, is chicken soup really good for your health?
Not if you're the chicken. Yeah, and you know what day of the week we chickens hate most?
No, I don't. What day's that?
Friday!
You sure are a funny chicken. Hey, why do chickens cross the road?
Oh, that's easy. To prove to the possums that it could be done. I wrote a song about it. You want to hear it? Here it goes. Everybody thinks us chickens are stupid. They call us stuff like feather brain and nugget head. Well, I'll tell you, we ain't as dumb as them possums. Cause we can cross the road without showing up dead.
That was truly a musical masterpiece.
Fresh fried oaky pie. Delicious. Hey, Auntie,
Oodles.
how do you tell when the turkey's done?
It's not done. Get the turkey out of the oven anyway.